This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do 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 do.
It's Go Dogs for One.
Hey guys, welcome. I'm just cooking some supper right now, you guys, with some sausages, some fakes, and Ben's rice, I think, or something. Yeah, Uncle Ben's rice, which is cool. And then I don't know what I'm gonna have for vegetables, but that's alright. Don't really need to know everything, so that's pretty cool. So I'll talk to you guys then. Just going to my dad's place to help my mom with the TV. Yeah. That's what I'm doing, so, and then we are gonna do some stuff with my vehicle, so talk to you guys then. So, I just helped my mom, so it's pretty cool. Now I'm just putting some brake fluid and oil in my vehicle, so talk to you guys then. Oil, so my oil level is low, so talk to you guys then. So it's fun updating my car, tuning it up a little bit, so that's pretty cool. Yep. So talk to you guys when I'm done with everything, so talk to you guys then. So I'm gonna end today's video, you guys. So I'm gonna tell you guys one question last week, yes, 2 days ago. Ray, the question of the day was, what is your favorite type of music? And Raylan said, he liked, oh no. That is awful. I agree about the sex thing. I think it is for marriage only. And it is nice to hear that you believe the same. My favorite music is pop. And I really like the question of the day. So today's question is, if you could be a superhero, who would you be and why? Leave it down below and I might pick yours. So, it's Go Dogs for One, sign out. Peace out, guys. See you guys back in the future. Have a good day. Goodbye!